So this is my Feiyu G6 Gimbal, and I'm going to tell you a horror story that happened when I tried to update the firmware. So I decided to upgrade the firmware because my keypad was showing a battery icon that would show up right away and then disappear. So I never knew what the battery charging progress was. And in order to remedy that, I just left my battery charged in overnight so I'd have it fully charged for my next recording or next use. So one day I did try to update the firmware through the iPhone app, the FeiyuON app, and it did detect the gimbal and also the firmware version, which was in some Chinese writing. I didn't know what it was, and I initiated the upgrade. The app said the upgrade went through successfully, but then when I rebooted the gimbal and tried to go through the app again, it said it was still the same firmware and it still had that same battery message that kept disappearing when I hooked in the cable to charge it. So I contacted the company to see if there was another way to update this gimbal, and they told me that you can also do it through the computer, but there's also a $14 charge for the adapter to connect to the USB to update the firmware. And I was like, well, that kind of stinks, but I guess I'll do it because I need the firmware updater, right? So today I got the USB adapter and I went through their archaic program for Windows along with the menu and the instructions on how to update everything, and I updated the keypad, right? So that went through okay, and then it kind of messed up the gimbal a little bit. When I turned it on, it would be like all over the place. The motors would be going up and down and left and right. So I updated it again and it seemed to have fixed it a little bit, but now I have another issue. When I went back to try to change it again, now this gimbal is completely bricked, and you'll see why. Turning it on. Once again, it only stays flat when I hold down this button, but as soon as I let it go, not even responsive anymore. So this gimbal is completely bricked. I contacted the company to see what they would do with this because obviously it's broken, and I tried using their official software to try to update this gimbal and give it back life, but nothing seems to be working. I tried holding down this button along with the settings button on the side here, and it still doesn't work. So I don't know, man.